What's going on, Dub Chasers? Today we have a special video. It is the first video we're doing on Tyler's new car.
Ooh, we got the white Mk7.5. It is an S model, so it's just a base, but we'll eventually be doing some cool stuff to it. First thing we're doing is the dynamic turn signals. So they're straight from China, you know, only 30 bucks, but they apparently look pretty cool and they're darker than just clear white. So we'll see how they turn out. If the quality's any good, we'll make sure to let you know.
Tyler just got the car a couple weeks ago at this point.
Yeah, it's like
when this is filmed. Downpipe.
Yep, the CTS turbo downpipe and turbo muffler delete. That's all I've done so far. And then now these. So.
Alright, let's get started. Nice snow.
Yeah.
So right now, this is what...
Wrong one, but yeah, it's
there you go.
turn signal.
Stock turn signals. Passenger. So, pretty easy. Vincent already just popped off the mirror cover. How'd you do that? Just a flathead?
Flathead and these two little dongles. You gotta push the mirror in all the way, and then you little slip it in.
You put in your trunk, and it keeps stuff in place. I don't know.
Oh, that's weird.
It's a little Volks. It comes from
Like a little
Volkswagen.
divider?
Yeah. You can just put them together to make it so stuff doesn't move in your trunk.
Yeah, I didn't get those. I got a net though. That's under my.
Net?
Yeah. I have that, but I don't have those.
I don't know. These things are weird. It came with the format. This thing must have been spec'd a little bit. So they have formats and these.
You have the.
On Volkswagen's page.
Yeah.
To get that add-on is like $150.
Jesus Christ.
Do you have the WeatherTech mats?
The WeatherTech. Let me show you.
The WeatherTech is expensive.
Those. Yeah, mine came with those.
I'm not using them right now because, as you can tell, they're already a little dirty.
Yeah.
So I just want to wait till winter's over. I'm gonna get WeatherTechs
Yeah.
for the winter and then put those in for the summer.
Nice. Oh, do you have them in the rear?
Yeah, I have them in the rear right now. 'Cause I don't really have anyone right in the back.
Yeah. Helps.
Yeah, just use the heat gun.
Yeah.
Make it a little more malleable.
Yeah. Nice. I remember when I was trying to get the condensation out on my taillights.
Yeah.
And I used the heat gun on the back to try and help get the water out. And then I noticed the plastic started to get a little soft.
Oh God.
Yeah, I melted a little bit of the taillights.
Just a little bit. Yeah, you should. Jesus, dude. You melted part of your taillight.
Yeah, it's fine.
Get it out though?
Yeah, I got most of it out. I mean, there's still like a tiny bit left, but like
Yeah.
I can't get that out.
Out with the old and with the new. Look how ugly this one is, dude. It's so ugly.
Just clear and
And dumb, it just flashes.
yeah, just
Who wants
flashes. Stupid U.S. laws.
that? I know, right? Was that a law? Is that
Yeah. So the reason that like in Europe, like taillights and I don't know if you notice like Audi's lights here,
Yeah.
they have this sequential turn signal, but they also have one that flashes. In Europe, it's all sequential because there's a law here that states that, I don't know exactly how it goes, but basically when you're using your turning signal, it has to turn on right away. So like, yeah.
Okay. That's interesting.
Yeah.
Freaking US laws.
Well,
suck.
it's for all the
Yeah.
people that change lanes as they turn on the turn signal.
Yeah.
Because nobody knows how to preemptively do things.
BMW drivers.
No, BMW drivers don't even use their turn signals.
True. Just got the clip back in. Zip tie.
Keep them.
We'll just wait for the other one and we'll zip tie it closed. Here we go.
Wait, what
Smart
was that?
thinking, Vince. I don't know. It's just like a little rubber grommet thing.
Vince
It's
fault.
to prevent water from getting in it.
Who needs that?
Yeah. Were you not able to get the clip in?
This is
Is
dog
there-
shit. We don't need that shit.
Yeah. Our motto here is good enough.
Good enough. That's true. If it works, it's good enough.
Like welding my downpipe, good enough. Torquing down Vincent's rear bolts when we were doing the brakes, good enough.
Good enough.
There we go.
I think you're good to go.
Yeah.
All right, let's see what she looks
All
like.
right.
What if it doesn't work?
Ooh,
Does it look fancy?
very nice.
Oh yeah, that looks cool. Very simple mod.
Yeah.
The only problem is you don't really see it here.
See it on the side?
That's true. You
That's
can't really
what-
tell that your turn signal's
that's
on
what
with
you
that
miss
little
out.
indicator.
Oh, the little
I remember seeing a review that someone sent that to.
in the little divot, yeah. I mean, no, get in the car.
What?
I think you might be able to see it
Very
when you're in the
slow.
driver's seat.
if you see it slightly.
Very slightly,
Yeah.
but
I mean, if you don't hear the clicking, then
yeah, the clicking should be enough.
yeah. Sweet.
All right, well, I like it.
Yeah, it's nice. Now we do passenger.
Yes.
Vincent's finishing up the passenger ones.
Oh,
Tyler went ahead
yeah.
and turned on the hazards. I don't know if my lens is wide enough to get both of them.
It's looking pretty good though.
Yeah, it does look really good. I think we're about to cop all these.
Everyone's about to.
Yeah, Vincent's gonna get them, and then I'm gonna find the ones that are for the Mark 6. Yeah, they just look so good.
And they're dark too.
Yeah,
Like the
that's what I
stock
like.
is
Yeah, I think,
so clean.
cause on stock ones it's just clear. Versus, yeah, it just looks better.
Definitely.
Yeah, that's about the equivalent to mine. For some reason, it goes in all the way at the. Here, I'll show you. So, up here, it goes in flush, but then for some reason out here, it kind of sticks out just a little bit. It's literally the exact same fitment on mine.
So I think that's kind of similar on mine too.
That's weird.
Yeah, no, trust me, I was putting a lot of force into trying to close it.
believe it.
I was scared I was gonna break it.
This side. Well, this side is flush.
Yeah, I know, that's what's weird.
All done, mechanic?
I'm done.
All right, so we just finished, or Vincent just finished installing the signals on the 7.5. Thoughts, mechanic, on install process?
Don't break the covers and you're fine.
So
That's it.
what, 10 minutes?
Something like that.
Very easy. They were how much on Amazon?
They're like $40 on Amazon. You can order them straight from China for a lot less.
On what, like AliExpress?
Yeah,
or something
AliExpress,
like that?
Alibaba, either or. Just if you want them in a month, order it through China if you want to save $20, or just order from Amazon if you want it in 2 days, and spend $20 more. Just up to you. The factory ones are pretty ugly. They're nice and clear. For a little cheap upgrade, they
Yeah.
have a lot more function and they're a better color in my opinion.
Yeah. Yeah, Vincent and I both like them a lot, so we're probably gonna end up getting them for our car. But I think that's it.
That's gonna be it.
So, like the video if you like it, dislike it if you didn't, tell us why. Subscribe if you want more content coming up on this car in the near distant future.
Near-ish future, just depends.
And then more on the 7 and the 6. So, thanks for watching.
Bye guys.
Just talking to her mom.
How old is your grandma?
She's fucking dead. That's how old she is.